Hello, in this video we're going to look at setting up a page builder for our WordPress site. Okay, so we're just going to start off by creating a new WordPress installation using our Laragon that we set up in an earlier video. So we'll just fire that up. We'll go in and we'll create a new quick app, which will be our WordPress. And we'll give this the name of Elementor. Okay, so we've created a fresh installation of WordPress. And we've gone through all the setup process. If you don't know how to do that, refer to one of the earlier videos in this tutorial series, and it'll show you how to do this. Okay, so now we have our WordPress installation set up. We could actually go through and use the tools that WordPress have to create our web pages. But some people find them a little bit difficult to use, a bit confusing. So we're going to use a plugin called Elementor in combination with a friendly theme to build our pages with more of a GUI or graphical drag and drop interface. Okay, so in this video, we're basically going to be setting up our WordPress installation so we can then use this plugin. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a theme that is friendly or easy to use with Elementor. Rightio, so to do that, we're going to go into Appearance on our side menu over here. And at this point, we should be presented with some themes. And you'll notice that underneath one of the themes, you'll have active, which just means it's the theme that the WordPress installation is currently using. Okay, so in my case, it's the 2020 theme. We don't want to use that theme. So we're going to click on Add New Theme, which is this big icon here. And we are going to search for a theme called Astra. So in the search bar, just type in Astra. Hit enter. Oh, we don't even have to hit enter. Look at that. And it'll be this theme here called Astra. So we're just going to click on Install. Okay, once it's installed, we want to activate the plugin, the theme. So we'll just click on the Activate button. And now our theme is set to Astra as the active theme. Okay. We can just go take a quick look by going to the top here next to the WordPress icon. And underneath Elementor 1, we can find Visit Site. And if we click on that, we'll see that we have a very simple, boring page because we haven't added anything to it yet. Only the default stuff is there. Rightio, so we'll jump back into our dashboard. Now next we're going to install the Elementor plugin plus an Essentials add-on for Elementor. So to do that, we're going to go to Plugins, Click on that. And just before we get started, we might do a bit of house cleaning. We've got 2 plugins already here that aren't activated, and we might just want to we'll get rid of them. So to do that, we'll just click on the little checkboxes next to them. Then in our bulk actions drop down here, we'll just select delete and click apply. We'll get a little pop-up saying, are you sure? So we just got rid of those plugins. Okay, now we want to add a new plugin. So we'll just click on the add new next to the plugins label. Rightio, and now we're going to search for Elementor. And hopefully it's one of our first options here. So we've got Elementor Page Builder. So we want to install that now. Okay, so while we're here, we'll also install the essential add-ons for Elementor. Generally, when you do the search for Elementor, this one pops up next to it. So we'll just install it while we're here. Okay, so now if we click on installed plugins underneath our plugins menu option, we should go back to our list of plugins. And now we want to activate Elementor and the essential add-ons for Elementor. And you'll notice underneath each one of them, we've got the little activate text. So we just click on that for Elementor. And it'll give us a welcome and introduction video and some guides. Now you're free to follow those along if you want to, but at our tutorial, we won't bother. But by the same token, if you want to have a look at them, do. Just close that. Now we'll just jump back into our plugins, into our installed plugins, and we'll activate the other essentials add-ons. Okay. So now if we head back to our dashboard, we're all set up and ready to go.